This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Corvettes at Carlisle. We're checking out the race car reunion. This is over the top, folks. Over the top. This is a 62 Sebring racer, one of 5 factory sponsors vets to race in the 62 Sebring. 327, 360 horsepower fuel injected, close ratio 4-speed, 3.7 posi, side exhaust, 37-gallon fuel tank with quick fill adapter, heavy duty brakes and steering, stabilizer kit, and wide 5.5-inch wheels. This is all original with full documentations. Now, running Sebring, you see what we've got up front. Look at the way how the flamethrowers are thrown in there, the lights. Again, I love these details. Note the hood. Side exhaust. Bartol Special. Full roll cage. They're starting getting safety. The small vent over there. That's the quick fill. You're looking at actual race history here. Again, this is a 62 Corvette, one of 5 built and factory sponsored for Sebring. Too cool. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.